In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Velocity Trade in Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your broker connection set up so you can place trades directly from your Tradingview charts. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and head over to the Tradingview website. You can use any modern browser, but for the smoothest experience, a recent version of Chrome, Firefox, or Edge is recommended. Make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in first, because you won't be able to connect a broker from a logged out session. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage and logged in, look for the option called Super Charts. This is Tradingview's advanced charting interface where you'll do most of your analysis and, importantly, where you'll connect your broker. Click on Super Charts and it will open up the main chart window. Give it a moment to load, and when the chart is open, move your attention to the bottom area of the screen. Here, you'll find a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. This is the section where Tradingview lists all of the supported brokers and paper trading options. Click on Trading Panel to expand it. If this panel is collapsed or hidden, clicking it once should slide it up and show all the available connections. Once the trading panel is visible, you might only see a few broker icons at first. To make sure you're seeing the full list, look for the option that says Show All Brokers. Click on that. This ensures that Velocity Trade appears in the list if it's supported in your region and on your account type. Now that the complete list of brokers is visible, use the search bar within the trading panel, type in Velocity Trade, and wait for the search results to filter down. When you see Velocity Trade appear in the list, that's the broker we want to connect. Next, click on the Velocity Trade option to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a login or authorization window for Velocity Trade. Here, you'll sign in with your existing Velocity Trade credentials. Take your time and double check that your details are correct. After you confirm and authorize the connection, Tradingview will link your account. Once it's connected, you should see Velocity Trade listed as your active broker in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place, modify, and manage orders directly from your Tradingview charts using your Velocity Trade account.